Dave, your public speaking coach for women, and I'm here today at the Hilton. I've got a room full of people, lovely women, all here being inspired and learning lots of tips and knowledge and getting experience through the exercises.
After meeting Sonal on a number of occasions, I like her public persona and I want to develop my skills as well. So today's workshop has actually been excellent for this. She's been very, very engaging with the whole audience.
It has been very useful because I have a phobia of public speaking, and it has helped me with great confidence. It's been very inclusive and informative.
I'm not really used to speaking in a crowd because I've launched my own business after 20 years of working in a corporate environment for somebody else. So now it's time for me to be self-sufficient, step up and be more confident in engaging with people, whether it's 2 people or 200 people.
I am a baker and I'm lacking a little bit in talking to people and moving forward. And this gives me more confidence in speaking to people in the public and selling my stuff. And I'll use it more in my business.
It's really getting the confidence in you to speak with confidence, to your family, to your customers, to your boss even. So I think this is a very life transformational event, and I think people can come out of here and just gain so much out of it.
I'm so glad that I came today because I've learned so much. I feel like a different person. I feel liberated. I can't describe it in words. You have to be here to know what I'm talking about. And you know what? It's fun, it's interactive. I've met some amazing people, good opportunity to network.